How to do duets on YouTube Shorts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can duet a video from your YouTube. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube application. Now here, let's tap onto Shorts videos to see Shorts. In order to duet this video, tap onto Remix option. Then here tap on collab. Or you could also use this video as your green screen, but in case you would like to do it with this video and if you want this video to be displayed just beside your video, then tap onto collab. Then tap onto next. And just like so, now your video will be displayed on the right side of the screen. So this is how you can duet YouTube videos in your YouTube. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.